How to recover permanently deleted YouTube channel. So first open Chrome browser in your mobile phone. Go to search bar. Now type youtube.com/support. After that, now scroll down, click on contact us. Now tap on search bar and write recover deleted YouTube channel and tap on next button. Now select other, click on next step. Now tap on these three lines, click on submit feedback. Now write about your channel, why you do delete it and why you recover it. Check on this and click on send button. In 24 hours your channel will be recovered easily.